Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngibona i-comment kaBuyisile bafethu uthi ucabanga ukuthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kune-healthy competition, uthi if i-player edlala njalo le-replace-we yi-player kusho ukuthi le elingadlali kuleyo position le noma elingadlali njalo. Uthi-ke nje umehluko mncane or awukho at all. Uthi asingawa-compare laphana ama-players because of i-team into eyidingayo manje ukuthi if elinye i-player li-out elinye liyakwazi ukufila in kusho ukuthi lingene kuleyo position leyo, ba-replace-wa abantu ama-player asimila akwaziyo ukwenza umsebenzi. Otherwise uthi ama-analysis wami a-top. Okay, masibheka the statement lesi, yes, uku-criticize ama-player or siwa-compare ama-player vele kumele abe ne-different dimension or dynamic. They don't have to be the same. If like for example uThabiso Munyane sibonile ukuthi waphazamiseka ukuthi waba injured, uSolomon noThabiso Munyane badlala iposition eyodwa, but-ke both two they are giving so much for the team. That's a big example ukuthi iside le-Kaizer Chiefs ku-right back alizange li-drop because uSolomon uzibona he raised the bar to the top, wabonisa ukuthi uyadeserve ngempela ukudlala laphana nanokuthi bamconsider when other players are out. Ku-striking department abanye baqale kahle, but-ke ubheka izolo sibone we were introduced to Igataro bafethu odlale kahle kakhulu. So yeah, there's an element of into right kule statement leso umfethu asishoyo lana, ukuthi-ke ama-player ayakwazi ukufila in kulama positions lawa amanye if uSibanibani akekho. I-difference ayibi that much, ukuthi into nje beyibalimaza ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kushintshwe laphana phambili in terms of like i-final third. From even ama-wingers from oLilepo, uModi angifuni ukukhuluma ngaye, sengikhulume ngaye kakhulu. Bakwazi ukuthatha ama-opportunities. That what is missing, or it was missing, because they were able to convert, I think they were able to score 3 chances or 3 goals laphana. Could have easily scored around 6 because they created so many golden opportunities, but azange bawathathe, but-ke bakwazile ukuwashaya ama-goal overall. So yeah man, I think i-team mayidlala kahle, even the youngsters laba ababuya ku-MDC mayidlala kahle i-team now abalifili i-pressure when they come to the first team or when they are given opportunity to play, because bayazi ukuthi bajoyina i-team, i-first team ewinayo ne-squad esi-well equipped ukuthi singakompitha nanoma iyiphi i-team overall. Ngifuna ukungena kuMoses lana nawe ubhalile i-comment bafethu uthi uyawasaluta laphana ama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs nama-player by ukuthatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bathathe i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeka laphana kuma-group stages of i-CAF Confederations Cup. Uthi rise cause rise. Uthi first of all ufuna ukunika i-credit to i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ngokusayina ama-players or i-healthy i-depth laphana kuma-players i-team ezokwazi ukukhompitha ku-CAF naku-PSL or ku-Betway Premiership, usho kanjalo mfethu. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi nayo i-healthy competition kune-depth laphana ethimini overall. Uthi wonke ama-player if uthi all players not to relax, okusho ukuthi la uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-player amaningi ukuthi whenever nalawa anikwa ama-opportunities akwazi ukudlala because ayazi ukuthi bakhona abanye ebhenjini overall. Uyaqhubeka la uthi uSolomon udlala kahle kakhulu, well no more mistakes. Uthi-ke mawuzobala ama-players a few ba-marvelous to watch ulokhu njani uNgcobo, I mean o-Cross uyasho ukuthi badlala kahle even nabo-Kwinika, and then ubala no-Eden McCarthy. Then yeah man, I think ukuthi they know once they relax still kuma-sidelines kuba nama-player. Ochaza lento le bengichaza laphana uzivala ngizivale lapho i-statement sakhe. Well yeah, I think ukusayina, okay, khona ama-signings ama-panic buys, because Kaizer Chiefs at the moment ine-strike ezo-8. You don't need the-strike ezo-8 bafethu, let's be honest. Uzodlalisa bani uyeke bani, kusho ukuthi khona abangeke badlale isizini yonke. But yeah, the depth in terms of the squad, they did well in order to get like ama-results. They know that they need a big squad, especially on the continental level, which they knew that they wanted to go all out to CAF Confederations Cup. That is why they were able to add ama-player bawa-edile ukuthi azosiza azoshape izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I want to take another comment overall. Hayi laba ngibhalele ngesi-French-ke ngizothini-ke mina, but ngiyakwazi ukuyi-translate lento ukuthi I don't have the energy as French. 'cause I think abacommente kule, okay, ngithi ngingasabuyeli kuleya video le. Hhayi, omunye bafethu ubani, Market Lions, uthi-ke uthi labo coach laba abagude kakhulu laphana, uthi bazothusa abantu abaningi this season o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi nje thina sibheke. Hhayi, okay, mina u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs number one, I don't think i-head coach we-Kaizer Chiefs for mina, or the way engibona ngakhona, uBen Khalil Youssef. Why ngisho kanje? Because uyi-first assistant coach, and then lo munye walethwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs as i-second assistant. Second. So mawubheka kusho ukuthi